Hola mis amores, bienvenidas otra vez a mi canal. Mi nombre es Ashley. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Be sure to subscribe down below and be sure to turn that bell notifications to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you have social media, you can follow me, Makeup Artist 27. That will be Facebook and Instagram, and on TikTok you can find me as _ Miss Dancer 727. All the links are down below. And if you do like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Alrighty, so on today's video we have the Boxy Charms for the month and the Morphe Brushes. No Ipsy this month. I skipped Ipsy this month, honestly. It's just I have a lot of stuff and I don't want to get more. So for this month I skipped it. So every other day I'll skip Ipsy just because. But we have Boxy Charm Premium and Boxy Charm Base Buck and the Life Glam Morphe Brushes of the month. So let's continue and I'll show you all the things I got. First, I'm gonna go with the Morphe Brushes. Honestly, I even forgot about it, so it just charged me because I've always be looking to see what I'm getting, and then if I have something similar, then I just skip it. Like, I'm not a big fan of, I have a lot of brushes and I keep throwing them out. It's a lot. Honestly, there's like 5 or 6 baskets just full of brushes and it's a lot. So yeah, I gotta calm down with that. I don't want to unsubscribe because I like it, but it is what it is. So this month I totally forgot and it charged me. So for this month we got, I believe it's 3 products because I saw it online. It was 3 products and we have the flyer. We have like a boss, and you get 3 brushes. You get a flat contour, a dual deluxe fan, and a deluxe highlight. And those I'm gonna show you right now. We got the contour. Honestly, I might just give it away or something, but we got the contour M459, and I kind of have something like this already, so I'll put it apart. Maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. So then we have the fan, which I have a big fan over there, and this is M495, which is just a fan. And this is what it is. And the next one, it's a highlighting brush. This is Deluxe Highlight Brush M532. Those are the 3 products. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I already have these brushes or similar ones, like, honestly. So there's gonna be a raffle coming soon, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you the details. It should be up like in 2 weeks, a week and a half maybe. I want to put it for like San Valentine's. Yeah, Valentine's Day. San Valentine's is what we like Spanish. Okay, so Valentine's Day I'm gonna try to do like a makeup look, like a Valentine's makeup look, like a date night, and then in that same video I'm gonna give you details about the raffle I'm gonna be doing with repetitive products that I have received. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We have Boxy Charm Base Box and Boxy Charm Premium, and yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. We have the Boxy Charm Base Box over here, and nothing crazy this month. I already saw it, I opened it, and we have 3, 4, 5 products. It is called Fresh Start, I guess, because it's January. This is the January box. And let's go ahead and I'm gonna read you the products directly from there. So first product we have is the Violet Vase, which is this one. I think I picked this one if I'm not mistaken. You know how now you can pick, I think, 2 products from your boxes and 3 from the, I don't remember how it goes, but this is one of them. Oh, this is pretty. Let's see, I like this. I like this. I like this. I love this. Honestly, I don't even remember about this. But oh my god, that's so pretty. It's kind of like fall. So that one is $34 for that. And then we have Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner, which is this one. I love this brand. This is the brand that has like all the different they have a couple different things. Like, I love them. Yeah, so this is a deep sweep cleaning toner. We love a toner. And this is $28. It's kind of heavy too. Like, it is heavy. It is expensive shit. Okay, so that one is $28. And then we have the Pure 4-in-1. I think I picked this too. I don't even remember what I picked. I don't remember when I picked, but whatever. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and this is the color MN3. It is $35. Honestly, I am kind of want to try this. It has SPF and everything, SPF 20, so that is good, and that is $35. And then we have Dr. Brand. We got Dr. Brand Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This is a little eye cream, and this is, ooh, Jesus, it's $82. Wow. You better like take my little, you know, ojeras out or something. Okay, so that one is $82. And then we have the last product, which is Trust Fund Beauty. And it's a lipstick, it's a lip gloss, and it's, let's see the color. And I broke the box and everything. Oh gosh. Oh well. Now it's mine. This is it's $18. It's a pretty color, kind of like a peach pink or something. And the color is Unprofessional. Unprofessional is the color. That's pretty. And that one is $18. I'll add the totals at the end. That way I'll add it with the Boxy Charm Premium. So that is the first box. The next box is the Boxy Charm Premium, and this is I still haven't opened this one, so I have no clue what I got. So let's see what we got in here. The other one I opened because I was nosy. I was nosy to see what I got. Okay. First, we got 6 products, and I'm liking the names in there. We got 6 products. Let's go ahead and see what we got. We got a Summer Fridays jet lag mask to hydrate. What is it, like a product to, yeah, like a cream. Okay, it's a mask, so like a mask for the face. And this is $48. It's just to hydrate, it says. So a little mask. We got a little mask game. And then we have Ofra. Ooh, we got Ofra Cosmetics. Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go mini palette. Ooh, ooh, I love Ofra. You know, Ofra is like literally 20 minutes from me. You know what's that? 20 minutes from me. So we got our highlighters. We got some highlighters in there, some shimmers. Oh, this is so cute. So what is this? Like a, it's a mini face okay, it's a mini full face palette of 1 shimmers and fresh neutrals featuring Ofra's best selling highlighters. I'm so excited to try this because I love Ofra. This is $39. I'm telling you, this box is making its way to be a good one. Okay, then we have, okay, got a Fenty Beauty powder. Excuse me? Fenty Beauty powder? I mean, I already have this, but you know, I am a fan of Fenty Beauty, so honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it, but because I already have mine, and they're pretty full still. Like, I don't use makeup as much as before, so but here it is. Butter. We got butter over here, which is the same one I have, and it is $32. But Fenty Beauty, and I paid $35 for this box, but I do have the Fenty Beauty powder somewhere. It is somewhere. It's not there, but it's somewhere. Next, we have the Ren Clean Skincare Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. It removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. This is how it looks. Some cleaning product for the face, and that is $32, which is not bad. It seems interesting to try. It has sunflower seed extract and Midao foam seed oil to help replenish and restore the skin barrier with essential fatty acids, omega-3 and 6. Ooh, sounds very like. All right, guys, I'm so excited for this one. We got the Fenty Beauty mascara. I already have the trial size because I did get the trial size just to see how it worked, and honestly, it's a good mascara. It's a good mascara, and this is $24. I don't know if I picked this, but whatever. I am excited for this. I'm so excited for this. $24 for the Fenty Beauty mascara. So we got two Fenty Beauty. We got Ofra. This box is killing it. This box is killing it. Okay, and the next product we have is PMD Beauty. It is a removing cloth, makeup cloth. I love these things. I ordered one. I don't even know where it was. I think it was in Boxy pop-up, and I just, you know what I do? I just put like I have those like little makeup creams, and I put it here, and it goes, just go like that, and it comes out so fast and easy, and I don't have to be like with the wipes, like, you know. So it's super good. I don't mind the cloth. Obviously you gotta wash it and take care of it, but it is a really good option if you want to use it besides the wipes. So that one is $30. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add these items, and I'll let you guys know which was my favorite ones, and yeah, be back. Alrighty guys, I am back, and I have the final value of each boxes. So we have the base box, which is worth $200, and you pay $25 for the box, and then you have the premium box, which is worth $205. I mean, they both are value the same. This one is $35 that you pay for it, $35 for the premium, and $25, and then you got, it was like $197, so I just rounded to $200, and then this one was $205, so we can just round it to $200 again. So it's basically the same. This is the first time that I see that it's like both almost they're almost like value the same, which is crazy. But still, I believe that my favorite one this month for January, it was the premium box, because we have the Ofra, we got the two Fenty Beauties, the Maker Eraser. The box was really good, and I'm excited for it. And yes, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, you let me know. My links for Boxy Charm are also down below. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe down below. You can ask me about it. And yeah, I love these boxes, especially that you get good products for the amount that you're paying, which is crazy, because if you look at it, you pay, the product is worth sometimes more than the box, which is crazy. You pay $25, and then the item, there's one item that can be, it's like the item that it was $82, like the eye cream. You pay $25 for the box. Like, seriously, you're just getting so much worth in makeup, so which is crazy. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe down below, because we are on a road for 1,500 subscribers. We are very close, so make sure you do share the video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.